Hold up, Cindy Lou. Trying to find a place to go potty. There is no place. No place for you to go potty. What are we gonna do? She hasn't gone potty since yesterday afternoon. Uh-oh, where's our path? Our path is gone. No pathway. We'll have to go this way. Listen, Cindy Lou. Musical snow again. Well, my last report of measurements was about 20 inches here in West Springfield. Cindy Lou, you can't go there. That's somebody else's home. Come on. Come on. They came through here with snow blowers, so this helps. At least we can walk the sidewalk. Oh my goodness. Cindy Lou, where are you going to go potty? Oh, well, I guess she found it. Goodbye, you guys.